Now I've marked out where the connectors are going to go, and the way I've done it is I lined up all the connectors I needed, which is 7, excuse me, and once I had them in the right position I simply went along with my felt tip and marked where I wanted the holes. Simple as that. Now I am going to make sure that I get them all in a straight line, which will have to be like that. And I needn't worry because they quite ironically are absolutely in a straight line. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move the ruler so that I can run the pencil straight across like that. And I don't know if you can see that. Let me turn this around so I can see what I'm looking at. Right. I'll try and get it in as close as I can without the... there we go. Right, there you are. You see I've drawn the line straight across, and what I will do is where each dot is I will drill on that line, and that will then keep the holes in a nice straight line. Okay, onward. Right, what I've done is I've got myself a screw with a really sharp point on it, and I'm using it as a centre punch. What I'm doing is I'm lining the line that I drew earlier up with the centre of the blue dot, and then just give it a gentle tap. Okay, I've done all the others. Right, now then, I am using, if I can find them, 1mm drill, and I've found in the past that the best way to drill this is either with a Dremel in a stand, because believe me, I've tried this freehand with the Dremel, and it, well, for me anyway, it's a no-no. So what I've done is, you can see that, I've wrapped solder around the shaft of the drill and then clamped it in an ordinary cordless screwdriver. Cordless drill. Now when you're doing this, keep the weight of the drill in your hand, don't let it go down on the drill, just guide the drill down. What I've found, because these are the connector terminals, I've discovered that I've had to just open them up a fraction. You don't have to go mad. And then the connector goes in like that. Okay peeps, and that's how you can drill them. There we go. Alright, now the next bit, once we've drilled all those, is we're going to mark out where we want our tracks. Now, as you can see, the dots for the push buttons have virtually disappeared through me handling this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it back in the panel. I'm going to remark them, and then I'm going to center punch them out using my screw. That way, if I wipe them off again, like here, center punch will tell me where the holes have got to be. Okay then?